Okay, you will make a meat ceviche.
Okay, sir, what do I need?
You need the next ingredients: a pound of meat, 1 onion, some lemons, 1 orange, salt, and pepper.
Very well.
First, please cut and squeeze the lemons in a glass.
Sure.
Second, could you peel the onion? Then you cut and wash them. Now, put the onions in a big bowl. Right now, you boil the water while you cut the meat into squares. Now, put the meat in a bowl and add the boiling water for 5 minutes.
Of course.
Now, you drain the meat and put the meat in a bowl.
Okay.
Right now, you add the onions, juice lemon, salt, and pepper.
Okay.
Finally, cut and squeeze the orange in the bowl. And serve the dish.
Okay,
The dishes
it's finished.